Kelok ampe puluh ampe baanggeknyo di dadoku deh. destination safely. The sound of horns becomes a signal. Trucks come from the valley, many buses from the hills above. Everyone gives way, everyone waits their turn. That is the way of Army 9 people. Even though sometimes I feel afraid looking down into the deep abyss, I believe with patience and care at the end of the curve, a home awaits me. Kelok, it's beautiful. There's nothing quite like it. Blue mountains, floating clouds above, bring tears into my eyes. But remember, my dear, this road can be dangerous. The cliffs are prone to falling. Many parts have been worn away. Sometimes only one vehicle passes, taking turns one by one. Count back, just like my life, full of twists and turns and deep valleys below. Yet it is still beautiful. Go slow, take your time, don't rush too much, so you can reach your destination safe. The sound of horns becomes a signal. Trucks come from the valley, many buses from the hills above. Everyone gives way, everyone waits their turn. That is the way of Army 9.